नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं चारू चौधरी आप सभी का स्वागत करती हूँ हमारे चैनल चारू चौधरी में। दोस्तों, आज जो ऐसे के लिए टॉपिक में लेके आई हूँ वो है इम्पैक्ट ऑफ कोविड-19 ऑन द इंडियन इकोनॉमी। दोस्तों, ये आपने जानते ही हैं कि कोविड-19 का जो इम्पैक्ट है वो बहुत सारे सेक्टर्स पे पड़ा है। तो यहाँ पे हम बात करने जा रहे हैं इंडियन इकोनॉमी पे इम्पैक्ट क्या पड़ा है कोविड-19 का। दोस्तों, अगर अभी तक आपने मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर दीजिए। आइए दोस्तों, जानते हैं इम्पैक्ट ऑफ कोविड-19 ऑन द इंडियन इकोनॉमी। The COVID-19 epidemic is the first and foremost human disaster in 2020. More than 200 countries and territories have confirmed effective medical cases caused by coronavirus, declared a pandemic by the WHO. Recent growth rate case globally has more than 12 lakh COVID-19 confirmed cases and more than 66,000 deaths till April 1, 2020. As we have already acknowledged that India is a developing economy, it is stated as an economy passing through demand, depression and high unemployment, with 21-day lockdown announced by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on March 23, 2020. With an increasing number of coronavirus cases, the government has locked down transport services, closed all public and private offices, factories, and restricted mobilization. Based on recent studies, some economists have said that there is a job loss of 40 million people MRD report in the country, mostly in the unorganized sectors. In this scenario, they are predicting that India would go into recession affecting the unorganized sector and semi-skilled job holders losing their employment. It may also likely surface that at this time of eroding trust within and between countries, with national leadership under pressure from growing societal unrest and economic confrontations between major powers, if we refer to the times of Ebola crisis in Africa. The labor sector under the MNREGA 2005 are worst impacted as they are not provided jobs due to lockdown. Most of the labor sectors are associated with the construction companies and daily wage earners. Travel restrictions and quarantines affecting hundreds of millions of people have left Indian factories short of labor and parts just in time supply chains and triggering sales warnings across technology, automotive, consumer goods, and other industries. If we refer to the recent measures announced by the government and the RBI to mitigate the impact of the pandemic, as said by the RBI governor, these are only for short term and may not deliver the desired results as the problem is severe and has been further aggravated by the lockdown. Referring to the recent happenings in data, the unorganized sector, excluding this, likely to suffer a great downfall in the coming days as the job generation is going down in an alarming rate with the prolonged lockdown and weak GDP. With the commencement of 2020-21 financial year, the effects of coronavirus have affected the stability of the economy of 150 countries, jeopardizing jeopardizing their lifestyle, economy, impacting business and assumption of common well-being which we had taken for granted. The lockdown has adversely have affected service sector like banks, restaurants, food vendors and food delivery providers at par with providing health safety and medical sustenance. We should also have to think about the health of the sickening economy by mobilizing the resources and make plans of job creation and job continuity. तो दोस्तों ये था हमारा ऐसे जो कि हमने लिखा था इंडियन इकोनॉमी पर क्या इम्पैक्ट पड़ रहा है कोरोना वायरस का। उम्मीद करती हूँ ये ऐसे आपको पसंद आया होगा। अगर आपको ये ऐसे पसंद आया है तो आप हमारे चैनल को लाइक कर सकते हैं, शेयर कर सकते हैं, सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं। अगर आपको किसी और टॉपिक पर भी जानकारी चाहिए या फिर आप स्पीच या ऐसे के लिए आप कोई टॉपिक जो है वो सर्च कर रहे हैं तो आप मुझे कमेंट बॉक्स में लिख सकते हैं। मैं आप कोशिश करूँगी कि आपकी मैं कुछ हेल्प कर पाऊँ। वीडियो को वॉच करने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।